about the other round of politics, because this is where the trouble mounts for Robert Vadra in a money laundering case involving defense dealer Sanjay Bhandari. Now, this enforcement directorate, which has filed a second supplementary prosecution complaint before the Delhi court, formally naming businessman Robert Vadra as an accused in the case. The court will now take up this matter on the 6th of December, the case that originates from the income tax raids on Bhandari back in 2016, after which he fled to London and was later declared as a fugitive economic offender. Now, Bhandari is accused of receiving kickbacks in defense deals and the illicit funds that were allegedly routed through UAE registered shell companies into properties in the UK and Dubai between 2009 and 2016. Now, at the heart of this investigation is a luxury property at 12 Bryanston Square in London, which was acquired by Bhandari in 2009. Sources say that Robert Vadra allegedly assisted Bhandari in laundering the proceeds of crime, and it is being learned that the evidence gathered by the ED indicates that the property acquired by Sanjay Bhandari was beneficially used by Robert Vadra for his personal use. Now, sources say since it was found that Vadra was in possession of the proceeds of crime, ED has now gone ahead to file a charge sheet against him. ED investigation revealed that Robert Vadra had furnished the London property and provided funds for the same, and he used to decide about the interiors of the property, as the investigation also say that he used to stay in that same property even though the ownership of the property kept changing from Sanjay Bhandari to C.C. Thampi to Mr. Cheru. Now, the evidence is collected by the Enforcement Directorate revealed that Robert Vadra used this property during all these times when the property was in Benami names. For years altogether, the ED suspected that there was a deep link between Sanjay Bhandari and Robert Vadra. And as far as this link is concerned, they have now been questioning as far as their relationship as suspicious. Let's connect with Bhavtosh on this. Bhavtosh, good morning. This is big. How does the trouble exactly mount for Robert Vadra in this case, with the ED now filing a second supplementary prosecution complaint?
Good morning, Amita. In fact, this is a case which the Enforcement Directorate has directly established the link between Robert Vadra and Sanjay Bhandari. Though Robert Vadra has always denied this charge that he owns this London property, but the Enforcement Directorate, after carrying out the probe for nearly 7 years, now have said that the London property, which has been center of all the controversy, is beneficially owned by Robert Vadra's son-in-law of Sonia Gandhi. They've said that they have got assistance from foreign countries and can conclusively now prove after 7 years that the 12 Bryanston Square property is beneficially owned by Robert Vadra. They have said that this property was brought by Sanjay Bhandari on the commissions that he got from an oil deal which was signed between ONGC and Samsung, and then subsequently that money was then transferred by Sanjay Bhandari to his UAE company. And that commission was then again transferred to another shell company that subsequently brought the London property. Okay. Though this property was brought by Sanjay Bhandari, the person who had maximum interest was Robert Vadra. The ownership was continuously changed. Now, importantly, Sanjay Bhandari has been now declared as a fugitive economic offender. So ED has passed to attach this property in London. Mr. Bhandari, as well as Robert Vadra, has always denied this charge. The cognizance of this charge sheet will be taken on 6th of December.
All right. So trouble mounting for Robert Vadra there as far as the money laundering case is concerned with the defense dealer Sanjay Bhandari. The Enforcement Directorate filing a second supplementary prosecution complaint before the Delhi court and has now formally named Robert Vadra as an accused in the case. The matter, as Bhavtosh said, will be taken up by the court on the 6th of December. Bhavtosh, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in with